Download and log in to the Lefant app. Turn on your phone and connect to Wi-Fi first. Open the app. Tap Add Device to enter the device search list. Find the M2 series and select M265. Enter the corresponding Wi-Fi password and tap Next. Press and hold the robot for 3 seconds to power it on. Confirm that the robot is powered on, then tap Next. Press and hold the robot for 6 seconds to enter pairing mode. Confirm that the indicator light is flashing, indicating pairing mode, then tap Next. Wait for the robot to be detected. Tap the robot to confirm the connection. Wait for the connection to complete. Once connected successfully, tap to enter the main interface. Before starting mapping, please clean up any excess clutter on the floor. Tap Enter. Tap Settings in the top right corner. Tap Map Management. Enable the map saving function. Place the robot back onto the docking station. On the main page, tap Start and select a mapping mode as needed. Once mapping is complete, the robot will automatically return to charge. The map will be saved automatically. To view saved maps, tap Settings and enter Map Management. The currently saved maps will be displayed.